Hi everyone, you are tuned to Digitalavi. This is another video in the series of WordPress tutorials. And today in this video, we will see how you can add social media icons in your WordPress website. By social media icons, I mean the icons which link back to your social media profiles. So in this video, we will see how you can add those social media icons in your posts, pages, or sidebars or footers, etc. etc. So let's first see how you can add the social media icons in your posts or pages. So I will give the example of post. You can do it similarly for pages also. So move on to post and click on all post. I will just randomly select any of the posts just to show you how this is done. So in the latest version of WordPress, you get an inbuilt option to add social media icons to your post or pages. To do this, what you have to do is just open any post or any page and you will see a plus sign here to add another block. Click on it and then search for social icons. Under the widgets option, you can see the option of social icons. Click on it. Now here you can see the different social icons are displayed in front of you. So now let's say I want to add my Facebook page. So what I need to do is just click on the Facebook icon and then enter the link of Facebook page. Then click on this arrow to submit the link. Now let's say I want to enter the link of my Instagram profile. To do this, what I have to do is I have to click on the Instagram icon and then enter my Instagram profile's link. And then click on this arrow. Now let's say you want to add your Snapchat profile, but as you can see the icon of Snapchat is not present here. So what you have to do is click on this plus icon and then search for Snapchat. Click on it and the icon of Snapchat will appear in front of you. Then click on the icon and enter your Snapchat link. Then click on this arrow to create a social icon for a Snapchat profile. So this is how you can add social media icons which link back to your social media profiles in WordPress post. The process to add these social media icons in WordPress pages is exactly same. And once you are done, you have to click on update. Now let's see how these changes reflect back to our website. So we will open this post. And as you can see, these social media icons are displayed on the WordPress website. Now let's see how you can add these social media icons in sidebars or footers. So we'll go back to our WordPress dashboard. To add these social media icons in sidebars or footers, you have to install a plugin. To install the plugin, go to plugins and click on add new. In the search bar, search for simple social icons. Now this is the plugin we need to install. You can see that it already has 200,000 plus active installations. Click on the button install now and then click on activate. Now go to appearance, then widgets. In the widgets option, you can find the widget of simple social icons. Now let's say I want to add these social icons in secondary sidebar. Now what I need to do is I just need to drag and drop this widget into the secondary sidebar. Now give a title to your widget. And you can customize the icon according to your requirement. You can give background color, the icon size and all that other stuff. You can customize it according to your requirement or according to the requirement of your website or blog. Now here you can see that it gives the option of entering the URL of all the social media profiles available on internet right now. To give you a demo, I will just enter the link of my YouTube channel. And let's do one more. Let's say let's enter the URL of Twitter also. And once you are done, click on Save Changes. Now let's see how these social icons look on our website. Go to the website and refresh it. Now as you can see, the social icons are displayed on the secondary sidebar of our website. Similarly, you can do for all the social media profiles which you have currently right now. And as you will start entering the URL of all the options given here, the corresponding icons of those social media or those websites will start appearing on your website. You can do the same for footer also. So this is how you can add social media icons of your profiles in the posts, pages, footers and sidebars of your WordPress website. That's all for this video. I will come up with another WordPress tutorial as soon as possible. Till the time, stay happy, stay blessed and subscribe to this channel.